You want to watch J-League Soccer free on your YouTube and you've got region restriction and you cannot find that live streaming? What do? Here's how. Welcome to ITHacks, the new series that will teach you clever technical skills that only 1% of the world knows about. Have you ever wanted to access some websites or contents that restrict to their specific locations? If your answer is yes, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll show you how to install VPN on your Chrome browser, and hence you can access the website you want. From your browser, find the three-dot menu on the upper right, click it and select More Tools. Extensions. This would open Extensions page of your Chrome browser. Click triple line on the upper left and click Open Chrome Web Store at the bottom. At the Chrome Web Store page, in the text box, type ITHVPN, which is the extension that we want to install in this case, and click its name that appears on top of the dotted down query. Click ITHVPN at the top of the result page. Click Add to Chrome. Add extension. This will install ITHVPN on your browser and it should complete in a few seconds. The ITHVPN web page will be opened. That means the installation is successful. Your browser might prompt you at the bottom of the page to accept cookies. You can just click I accept. Finally, click Extension menu on your browser. On the right of ITHVPN, click the pin to pin this extension on your browser toolbar. This will help you access to this extension easily in the future. To use VPN, click ITHVPN icon on the toolbar and select location for the websites or contents that you want to browse. For example, I want to see the US specific contents. I select United States. The location is now United States. And then click Connect. And it's done. Now VPN connection is established successfully. You can just browse the websites as you desire, such as YouTube to see some live streaming, etc. I hope this is helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to support me making more videos. And until next time.